Hello friends, through this video we are introducing about how to control date and times in Microsoft Excel. You can also control dates and times. Use one of the existing date or time formats as a starting point. Enter the value. Right click, then select format cells, then select dates, then click a long date, then select custom, and here just change the values. Then click OK. You can send the data as changed. A custom number format is stored in the workbook where you create it. If you copy a value with a custom number format to another workbook, it will also be available in that workbook. Okay, friends, through this video we introduced how to control dates and time in Microsoft Excel. For that, please select a cell and type a date for a value, then right click and then select date in format cells, then select custom and slightly change the number format code to mm, dd, yy and dd, then click OK. I think you have understood my words. If you are at first time in my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you very much.